Hello everyone, we are going to learn about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, the building blocks of the web. Have you ever wondered how websites like Google, Instagram or YouTube are created? So every website you see on internet is built using just three core technologies, that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Today in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you what each one does using a simple idea. And that idea is building a house. Think about a house. A house needs structure so it doesn't fall. It needs design so it looks good. And it needs a functionality. Doors that open, lights that turn on and that turns off. Websites works exactly the same way. So HTML is just a structure. The walls in the rooms comes in HTML. CSS is the design, the color, paint, and decorations that we do to our houses. And JavaScript is the brain. It makes things move, react, respond. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what role each of these plays in creating a website, even if you have never coded before. So let's quickly move to the next slide, that is HTML. What is HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is a skeleton of a website. So basically it tells the browser what context exists. Okay, that is the heading, text images, buttons. Alright, what exactly you want to show on the screen that defines the content and the structure. Without HTML, a website would have nothing to display. As you can see on the right side, HTML has a structure. So it is basically used to create a structure. Now what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay. It controls basically the colors, fonts and layouts. Makes a website more interactive. So CSS is what makes website looks beautiful. Just black text on a white screen is kind of really boring. So CSS add colors to your website. So as you can see in the image, HTML is just a skeleton, a structural layer, whereas HTML with CSS is just a presentation layer where it basically add the looks and the appearance factors. Now let's move to the JavaScript. What is JavaScript? So JavaScript brings a website to life. It allows the buttons to respond when clicked, forms to validate input, and the content to change without reloading the page. If HTML is the body and CSS are the clothes, then JavaScript is the brain. It adds interactivity, handles the animation, clicks, and logic, basically makes the website dynamic. As you can see, HTML is just a structure. HTML along with the CSS add the looks and the appearance factor, and HTML, CSS along with JavaScript makes it like respond or behave in a certain way, just like the boy is doing there. The boy is dancing. Yeah. So these three technologies always work together. HTML builds the structure, CSS styles it, and JavaScript adds the behavior. You can't build a modern website using just one. All three are essential basically. And this is what a quick introduction to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you start learning them step by step, you will be able to create your own websites and web apps. And this is where your journey in web development begins.